This yellow is giving me a little bit of McDonald's art, you know what I mean? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, high cholesterol. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a spring summer look, and I've also got a little surprise for my notification squad, so stay tuned to figure out what that surprise is, because it's basically what we've all been waiting for, you know. If you hear a lot of random sounds in this video, please just completely ignore it. So I am going to be more consistent when things kind of settle down, but as of right now, I'm just trying to film when I can, and sometimes that means that I have to film when there's a lot of sound and just a lot of busyness going on in the background. I'm feeling kind of yellow, as you can see, so I'm going to translate that onto the eyes. And I am going to be trying out the Fenty Beauty foundation shade in the shade 410, because I did hear that it's got a little less orange in it than the 420 shade, which is what I was using. And once again, the girl who says she hated using beauty sponges to blend out her foundation is now using one. I've really been loving this sponge. Just watch the video if you haven't seen it, but the sponge is only $1.55. Very expensive, very bougie, you know, in the words of a great philosopher, if you no get money, hide your face. I know there's probably like 80% of you who are like, what? This sponge got cut up and it was my fault, but I'ma still use it because that's what I'ma do. I feel like this shade matches my neck better. Really quick before we move into the eyes, I do have a little surprise for you people. Okay, so try not to spill stuff, but this big box of all right, tight space problems. That big box of makeup is going to be going to one of you who are in the notification squad. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel already, like this video, and comment down below in the comment section. You can comment anything. It can be about the makeup, it can be about the look, it can be about video requests, it can be about the giveaway. Whatever you want to comment, go ahead. And because this is going to the notification squad, you have to comment within the first should we do 12 hours or 24 hours? I'll give you guys 24 hours. You need to comment in the comment section within 24 hours of this video going up in order to be eligible for the giveaway. And it is an international giveaway, by the way. So, just so you know. So let me show you some stuff you'll be getting. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Eyelashes. Got some Benefit Professional. Morphe palette. My favorite beauty sponge ever, okay? So far anyway. These are some Makeup Geek eyeshadows. There's Sigma, there's a bunch of makeup brushes, there's a ton of lip products. Just, yeah, if you want to win this, just comment down below within the first 24 hours and it might be yours, baby. This is a mixture of PR products and also stuff that I've bought with my own money. And also there will be an Instagram giveaway as well. So be sure to follow me on Instagram and turn on post notifications for Instagram because you actually have 2 chances of winning makeup from me. So there's another box like this that has different stuff in it. The winner will be chosen at random and they will be contacted privately. Also, if you comment below, let me know what your Instagram name is so that way I can DM you on there because sometimes it is difficult to get a hold of people via YouTube, mail, or whatever it's called. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C12. I'm only going to be using 2 eyeshadows today. I'm gonna try at least. I've been talking about that giveaway since probably last year. It's long overdue. I just wanted to make sure that there was enough product and that it included as many products as possible that I like or that I've heard good things about. And there is some stuff in there from like goodie bags that I've gotten. So it's not all just, you know, stuff that I bought or just PR. It's a mixture of those 3 things. Oh, this eyebrow hair is bugging me. Ha, gotcha. I'm gonna use this Makeup Geek eyeshadow called Chickadee. It's like a muted honey mustard kind of yellow. I'm gonna be placing that right above the crease, or kind of actually on the crease because that's where I tend to crease. If you haven't seen my how to make eyeshadow colors pop on any skin tone video, Be sure to check that out because it will explain why I laid down this concealer and did not set it. It will also explain why I'm packing on this color instead of going in and blending it first. Low key, this foundation shade looks like an exact match for me. For my neck and my chest, not for my dark circles. I'm just gonna use circular motions. Blend this baby out. Blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. Blend it out. Now I'm gonna take this individual eyeshadow. It's from Morphe. It's just a bright yellow. And I got this a long time ago. I don't know if they still sell this, but it's number 32. Let's take a packing brush to pack this on and take my Inglot 9S, pack on the color. Ooh, this yellow is not as vibrant as I would like for her to be. There's some yellow eyeshadows that really pop more than others as far as pigment goes. Another thing I could have done is to lay down some more concealer right where that bright yellow is gonna go, but I don't feel like doing that, so we're just gonna keep on going. We built her up. She's better than how she started out. If you want to really intensify this, go ahead and add some concealer to right where you want the bright yellow to go. Take this brush from earlier that I used to apply Chickadee, and I'm just gonna lightly, very lightly go in between the two colors. Boom, boom, and boom. Dunzo. Well, for now. Okay, so here's the thing. I went a little bit overboard on the highlight, but it's all right. Yo, this is a look. I love this. This is totally a look. By the way, the lashes are Le Page Trends in the style Sapphire. And highlight is Le Peach from Artist Couture. I did mess up on the mascara. I ended up getting mascara like all over the place. So I did try to cover it up with some yellow, especially tried to concentrate it like on the inner portion down at the bottom. You guys, this look. I was not expecting this to turn out so pretty, but I feel like the lashes really, really complement it. I mean, I think a pink blush would have been cute with this look, but too late now. I don't like applying blush over my highlight. I know some people do, but I like to do highlight last on the cheeks area. What video was that I did like the inner portion? Can't remember what video that was. I think no. I have really pigmented lips and they are both different tones, and whenever you apply lipstick over them, it's just never the same color. It doesn't translate to the same color. So I apply foundation onto my lips, and I've been doing this for many years. Whenever I go into blending my foundation and all that, I'll add some to the lip area, blend it in, and I basically just treat it like as if it's the rest of the face. So when I do the lips, okay, never mind, I'm stupid. When I go in and apply product to the lips, it translates as the same color for top and bottom. This is the Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the shade Amazing Rain. It's a really hot pink color, very pretty. Just dab this on the inner part right here. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more. You can bring it down as far as you like. I feel like it looks better when it's concentrated more towards the middle of the lips, but too late now. So once that is fairly dry, just go ahead and add some lip gloss all over the lips. This is just some clear lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. Okay, added too much. All right, okay. Oh, don't drip. Okay. This time around, the pink ended up being a little bit more bright, and it's because I added more product than I did the last time. So you can always sheer it out to whatever shade of whatever lipstick color you are using. Here you have it. This is the completed look. This is my take on a summer, spring-ish makeup look. Super flirty, just, you know, very playful. I feel like this look is incredibly playful. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. By the way, that does make you eligible for this giveaway as well. So as I mentioned earlier, it is international. The winner will be contacted privately. Also, if you do have an Instagram page, be sure to leave your Instagram down below in case you're the winner. That way I can DM you on Instagram and I don't have to go through, like, you know, trying to jump through hoops to get your contact here on YouTube. And also follow me on social media. I am on Twitter and Instagram at Youkeyy_. I'm also also on Facebook and Snapchat as well. By the way, there will be an Instagram giveaway as well. So if you want another chance to win makeup, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and also turn on post notifications for Instagram as well, because some people end up not seeing the post right away, or they just don't see it at all. So the best way to get rid of that is to just make sure that you are you got your post notifications on. That's what I meant to say. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.